Today we're up on the roof checking out the dryer situation. Here in Florida we have vents go out through the roof and there's not much of an opening on them and they get clogged easily, and then the clothes don't dry too well. So we're going to clean that out and hopefully that solves the problem.
Oh, there we go. It's snowing. You might want to wear a mask too.
And this was the conglomerate of dryer lint that was stuck on the outside roof vent. See, it was been there a while. There's moss growing on it. So this was pretty much blocking a lot of the airflow. So I think this is going to solve our problem. So we noticed the dryer times have been long. The clothes have been damp after an hour. Got this tool, dryer vent cleaner kit, got off Amazon, and we're gonna check it out. Go up the vent, which goes up through the roof. You always unplug before you start. I don't know, this thing's all kind of chewed up. If you can see that, we're going to put a new one on. It's been kind of dusty in here. So, these are cheap. Look at it, it's all wonky. This came with it. Probably a good way to get cut up too. Ready? Throw this out. Now we can start using the drill. The attachment. This thing's pretty cool. You have a piece here, telescoping brush. So it telescopes to, I don't know, 20 feet or so. Pretty long. You hook it onto an end of a drill. And then you work your way up the duct. Yeah, we'll see how much junk. I already looked up here the other day. I didn't see much, but I think it's up near the roof. problem area. Get that guy up here and then that snaps off. So it wasn't on there good, but you can kind of do that number. You got to make sure this is on, right? It's kind of slow go. Then you just keep adding extensions to it as you go up. See it kind of snowing down here as you do it. Some more. So a good idea. They give you this tape. You tape the joints. You don't want this thing coming apart up in the middle. You won't get it back. Just tape it. Kind of annoying, but I'd rather do this than have it come apart. Oh, we're getting some good stuff now. A little bit better. Oh. And you can use the drill to put it back on. Up. Let's see what we get. Oh, there we go. Snowing. You might want to wear a mask too. Gosh. Look at it. We may have hit the top of the vent. Get our light. See what we get. Yeah, I think that's the top. This is going to be the mother load here. Well, there's not as much as I thought there would be up there, but there was quite a bit. Actually, I did the roof vent first, and we'll show you that video actually at the beginning. As you saw, that was where the main problem was. So it wasn't too much below that. Hopefully this solves our problem with the drying vent times. Clothes get dry faster and not as much of a fire hazard. So there's our final haul from the vent inside the house. I think most of it was actually right at the vent at the outside part of the roof, because that's not that much. I had just done this a year ago. So I think the main problem was the opening outside is real small. It's something they do here in Florida on these new homes, and they get clogged up real easily. The other thing, it's a good idea just to go ahead and check around inside the dryer, make sure nothing is in there, plugging anything up. I got a little brush I can put in there too. Check that out. I put a new hose on it, replace that with a new one. $20, Lowe's. Worth the price because I think the other one had a little leak in it. Again, thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you made it this far through. Thank you for. So here's after we cleaned it. Outside first, up to the bottom. You can see a little bit of fine lint that came out at the end there. This should be good. Thanks for watching. The vlog is over.